Assalamualaikum. I know, I missed like more than a week, but I have a reason, and just to make things up for you, here's a better video quality, a better audio quality, I'm sure, and a green screen. Show the green screen right now. That's the green screen. Anyways, so last week, let me just catch you up. I stopped with uploading the video on the day before Eid. The next day was Eid, so that was family time. I spent the entire day with family. I went to my village. So and these breaks are really important. Even if you are an entrepreneur or an employer or a businessman or a student, even take these mini breaks. Okay, spend the time with the loved ones. You're not gonna regret that. So I did that. The next day I came. I shot some vlogs. I shot some video parts, but the audio on that was so bad that I just couldn't make myself upload that. And by the way, this is not mine, and this green screen is also not mine. I'm borrowing it. It's of an organization, and since they were cool enough to let me borrow the mic and the green screen, they deserve a proper shout out. And it doesn't matter if, and I'm not giving the shout out because they gave me the mic and the green screen. I'm doing it because they are pretty awesome. If you haven't heard of them, so if you haven't heard of the channel, it's called Ansar Al Mu'min. It's a very interesting channel, and you should definitely give it a try. Videos they make, they're completely out there. You know, they put a lot of effort in. I can tell. they do a lot of effort. They make a lot of effort doing the scripts, doing the costumes, doing the making the audio and the videos stay the same. The editing process is super hard, and the guy does his hats off to the guy. And the team is pretty solid, and they're doing a great job. Make sure to give them a follow, and I'll put a link to the description and for their channel. And so I'm sure it will show up. So aside from that, the next day I shot as I was saying, the next day I shot the vlog, but the audio was so messed up. Anyways, so the big thing. So let me summarize the week for you. One big thing that happened, two actually big things happened. One, I had an interview, right? So the interview day I couldn't shot anything because I was so focused on making the right impression, which was pretty lame considering me and the whole entrepreneurship vibe set. So I had an interview, and then I had a second round. In interviews like this, there's a technical round, and then there's another final round, I guess. So I did both of them, and I'm waiting for their call back. So it went great, to be honest. And after that, after the interview, I actually received a message. I was like, after the interview was over, I was like, okay, finally I can take a sigh and start making the vlogs. But what happened is that I got a text message. I got a text message from a guy. He said, I need a project made, a website for my interior design company, and it's a startup. So I was like, hey man, you're a startup, I have to do your project. So I took the details, I took the work, and the guy was actually cool enough to pay up front. And when your client pays up front, you have to give you 100%, and you have to make the product 100% fast as possible and make sure everything is right on time project. And actually spend the next 3 or 4 days building the project. One thing, if you are a web developer watching this, one thing that I miscalculated in the last project is that you have to absolutely give the necessary time for the designing of the project. That what it does is that in the later stages you won't have to tweak here and there for 2 days straight that I had to do to make sure the design looks perfect on the final product. And not in just web design, take it as a word of advice out of experience. Anything that you do, anything that you build, make sure the design is solid and ready, and all you have to do is to just copy that design and make it work as a function. And that is my wisdom for you guys. So I did the project yesterday. It's complete. I gave the final link to the customer, and it was a pretty intense work week, I would say. This is not usually how I do it, but I spent around like 12 or 13 hours a day doing that, and it was pretty awesome. And that's one thing. I mean, you can tell that if you have found your passion or not. If the thing that you're working on excites you so much that the only thing you can get time for is eating and sleeping. Literally, I was not doing anything else. I was sleeping, eating, and there was this mandatory tuition I have to spend some time on, so I was doing that. After that, Nothing. I was not watching. Well, YouTube. I mean, I was watching YouTube while I was eating. Otherwise, nothing. Otherwise, no YouTube for me. No Instagram. Fun time. I mean, nothing. Like not even a video games. Nothing. Not even COD. So focused, and I loved every single moment of it. And that is how you can tell if you love your job, if you have found your passion, and if you are fortunate enough that you have found your passion, make sure you stick to it. That's for today's vlog, and these are the things that I did the last 3 or 4 days, and I'm gonna 100% make sure that these vlogs are consistent from today onwards. Alright guys, keep smiling and make sure to give those comments, beautiful comments in the section. I love reading them, I love replying to them. Make sure to connect with me, and if you are not connected with me on any other social media, give me a hi. I love to chat. I love to chat. I don't love to talk to people. I'm an introvert, if you didn't know that. But I love to chat. Reach out to me. Have fun. And as always, Khuda Hafiz.